There's a fake Nancy Pelosi quote that's popping up again, like the villain in a horror movie that just won't die. This quote will not go away. Let's start with it. I am disgusted with President Trump allowing people to keep more of the money they earn. It is this type of widespread theft of public resources that keeps America from being great, Mr. President. And the date's December 20th. And the person who shared this added, I'm glad someone got a snapshot of this before deleting it. Well, it wasn't an actual tweet. We looked at it back in December, and we noticed that it was created by Tweeterino. It's hard to see the watermark unless you mouse over it when it's a legitimate picture on Facebook, but it's there, it's visible. Tweeterino is a program that you can use to make authentic-looking tweets, but it usually leaves that watermark. Other programs might not, but Tweeterino does. So we looked at it, we stamped it fake, we circled the watermark to show people where to look, and we also talked about how many shares, 3,400 shares at that time. We didn't know that meant this was going to pop up again. So what happened is they've taken that text and put it on a video with Nancy Pelosi in an interview. And this guy's asking, what did I just listen to? And this is it. Now, I apologize for the sound quality. That is music played over her face with the quote underneath it. So this guy, what did he listen to? He didn't listen to this, or he'd have known that it wasn't actually her saying this. This is just ginned up to look like it. And this site has done this before. Here we have Nicole Kidman. Same thing. Music, Coalition for Trump Superstore. Next one, same company, same links, different site. It's Conservative Reporter page. So this is their new thing. Instead of actually putting a quote under someone, they do that. If you look down here, it says, help drain the swamp, and yes, we will pay you. So this page is purporting to pay you to do something. When you go to the link, it's harvesting your name and your email and your telephone number. It's saying they'll pay you a percentage of the sale, 10%, and you'll help Mr. Trump drain the swamp in D.C. We are going to provide funding for our boots on the ground efforts to replace congressmen who have been voting against the America First agenda, whatever that means. Presumably you have to look at, you have to join to find out what all this is about. But what they also do is sell merchandise. Here's some Converse with the Constitution, MAGA beanies. Let's see, we've got hot sauce. That's interesting. And hoodies and hats, chocolate. There is MAGA chocolate. Wow. And so this is what these guys are about. They're harvesting that information to sell merchandise. This isn't about draining any swamps. It's about filling somebody's pockets.